Hey guys, today we're in the shop. We're gonna do a cool project. So we've got this Harley frame here. We got it all blasted up. And we're gonna put on multiple coats of powder. Now you guys may think multiple coats, something hard, something that requires a lot of special setup, pretty tricky, not easy to accomplish, but here's the deal. It's something anybody can do with this PCS-1000. We're gonna show you how. We're gonna put on mirror black and metallic red, and it's gonna give it a really nice effect. Now to do this, it's all about starting with good prep. We've got this frame blasted here. We've cleaned it off with multiple coats of pre. We've used a lint-free rag, really wiped it down, but we're gonna bake it one more time in the oven to get any residual oil and contaminants that may be trapped in this frame. We've got the oven all hot, ready to go, so let's get it going. So while we've got that frame in the oven baking off, making sure it gets clean, let's talk about how we've got the PCS-1000 set up. So for fluidizing air pressure, we're not running any. That's because we're using the small 2-pound hopper. That's gonna help with our color change. Gun air pressure, we're at about 15 PSI. This is gonna give a good strong powder flow without being too strong that it's actually not gonna stick to the part. Voltage, we're going for 4. That 4 setting is gonna give a strong enough kV to really adhere and wrap around the tube of the frame, but not be so strong that it's gonna give us any Faraday cage in the tight corners and transitions of the frame. So lastly, we're using the 2-pound hopper. This is gonna make our color swap super easy to do. So I think that frame's up to temperature. Let's pull it back out, make sure it's all clean. We'll let it rest a little, get back down to about 105, say 110 degrees. We'll get this powder on. Now, if you're fighting a real tight spot, still can't get perfect coverage, don't forget, you can always take off the ground clamp, turn your voltage all the way down, and just try and toss a little powder in there naturally. Definitely helped out. Well, we got the first coat on, came out great. PCS-1000 really did a good job getting a lot of powder on in no time at all. We're gonna put it in the oven, let it get up to temperature, and bake for 20 minutes. So you can see there's areas of the frame that are gloss, everything's flowing out, and there's still some areas that are matte. So that powder's still getting up to temperature. We're getting there though. So here's the deal. If you're doing 2 colors or 2 coats with 2 different powders, these 2-pound hoppers make it super easy and it's a game changer. Now, instead of having to clean out all of your hoses, all of your connections and fittings, and the gun, all you have to do is blow out the gun and simply swap your air feed hose. We're now ready to do the metallic red and the second coat on this frame. Well guys, we got the first coat on, came out great. This smear black, it's got a lot of gloss to it, it just looks perfect. Now that we got this set up, we got the red metallic in the PCS-1000 and our other 2-pound hopper. We're gonna hose on a second coat here. It's right around 150 degrees. It's gonna keep cooling off as we're continuing to coat it, but we do wanna get it on while it's just a touch hot and really hit some of those tight spots. So let's turn this thing on and get going. Oh no.
What?
Looks incredible.
Oh, sure.
Man, this Harley frame, it turned out great. With the mirror black and the red metallic, we're able to get this deep, kind of root beer looking color that just pops when you look at it. The PCS-1000, it did a great job. The 2-pound hoppers made the color change easy, and our oven and boost system gave us excellent results, and this is something you can all do at home. For more information on HotCoat, visit eastwood.com.